Hi again. Okay, so on to number 2, or the second part of this video. This is from Marisa. Isn't that funny? There is no names on these. I just know because I've been watching all the videos that everybody is making. But anyway, this is Darling Marisa. I love it. Thank you. I love this paper. And I love your crocheting. I love that it's pink. Wonderful. And so I'm going to open up this bag from Marisa. Ooh, it's kind of like tight here. And this is the key. And I want to open it because I want to see this heart. She made these hearts, and it has a hole here with the hole is a heart. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a, and I love this paper. So cute. Oh, I love this key. You did a great job, Marisa. Look at this. So cute. Thank you for that. And I'm going to take everything out here. And you guys have seen everything, but I haven't seen them up close. I mean, I've seen it in the video of everyone else, but you guys, and you guys have too, but I haven't. And this is so beautiful. Oh yeah, I like that. It's got like glitter on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty. Love it. I love that. And I actually have that die also, but I haven't even I haven't done anything with it. It's just I got it a while back, but like so many of my dies, I have not used them. And this is so pretty. This is the lace with the rosettes on it. And Marisa has such a wonderful eye for laces and stuff. When I went with her last week, she put in my little basket when we were looking at laces, she goes, and get this one. I said, oh yeah, that one's so pretty. But she has a really good eye for the laces and lots of products, anything. She just zooms in on things. She's a great shopper. And some seam binding. I love this little seam binding. Can't find any of these anywhere. And then this little Daiso baggie. I love it. So cute. And let's see. Oh, these are the little sprays. And they're so cute. I love those. She made them of hearts. Look at how pretty that is. And this one too. And these are substantial. I mean, they're not little tiny seed beads. These are nice. Thanks for making these, Marisa. Thank you so much. Thank you for hosting. And it was just so much fun. And these, she made these. It says, handmade with love. I love these little stickers. They're so darling. Can you see them? Let me, isn't that so cute? I love those. And then she handmade these. All these flowers. And they're so pretty. I love this fabric. I think I have this fabric too, but isn't it so cute? This is darling. Great job, Marisa. And look how cute this is. Love those. Oh, this is my favorite. That's got to be my favorite. Look at that. So shabby. So thank you, Marisa. Thank you for all of these. and for hosting, having us all over your place. Everyone had such a good time. Really enjoyed being there. Okay, and then this bag is from Rosanna, who came from Texas. She comes over and visits Marisa a lot. She's Marisa's friend and now ours. And she stamped doilies on there, and that's such a cute idea, on the canvas bag, and put this little lace on here and stamp for you. This is darling, Rosanna. Thank you so much. And inside, she wrapped, oh, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? She made a crochet flower and lace and 2 little crochet flowers on the sides with some applique and lace and ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's a cuff bracelet. Let's see. That's darling. I just love it. Thank you, Rosanna. And everyone is so crafty. Just love it. We had such a good time. So that's from Rosanna, who is Creative Zoe. Then I have here this beautiful bag, and you've all seen this, from the Robin Laura, the one and only Laura. Hi, Laura. Laura is a sweetheart. She is my friend. She's going to be a SoCal girl soon. And this is heavy. It's got a crystal on the package with some tulle. And that looks so good together. I love how you painted that and stamped it. It's darling. Really cute. And then she stamped the tissue paper too. I'm going to save that. And she made, oh, look at this. She's made, oh, I love this fabric. Oh, that's really cute. I'm going to open this, Laura. I know it's so beautiful, but I want to open it. I wonder if, oh no. So this is really cute. Uh-oh, I demolished your bag. She did with a doily. Look what I did. Okay, here's a rolled flower. 2 of them. And this pink and white flower on this. These are all paper flowers. Beautiful blingy clothespin. Another paper flower and some pearl drop trim. Oh, I love this. Look at these leaves. I don't have any of these. They're so soft. Love those leaves, Laura. Thank you. And this is some more paper flowers that have like a fabric type of stem on it. So pretty. And a bling, a big bling. And this fabric is so cute. I love it. It looks like it has a look of eyelet on it, and then has those little rosebuds, pink rosebuds, and it's just so beautiful. I'm going to make something really nice with this. I just love it. and then some corrugated paper, and this paper here, which I don't know the paper's names, but that's so pretty. Thank you, Laura. I love this. I love it all. Oh, and then she's got this square doily, and with black eyelet and pink eyelet, which I love, with the bling here, and this felt rose. Isn't that darling? Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, and this also. Isn't that so pretty? An applique. So that is from Laura. And I wanted to open that because I know no one opened it and I want to see that fabric. But I messed up your beautiful wrapping. I'm sorry, Laura. I love it though. Thank you so much. And I have a few other ones here to open. Tammy, this is from Tammy, and she brought over this really darling bag. Has angels on it, and this mason jar tag, and then she has it wrapped up with some twine, and this darling little, look at how cute this is, this little flower with a leaf. I love miniature things, and that is so pretty. And I love you too, Tammy. Tammy is so sweet and so funny, and when you meet her, I mean, you can tell her voice right away. Just, that's Tammy. So it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun, even though I didn't get to spend much time with her, but we see each other more frequently than the other girls. But look at this. I'm going to open this and see what's in here. I'm going to take everything out of the bag. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this heart. I love this heart. Oh my gosh, you got to see this. It is so pretty. There's some cheesecloth here, and these hearts are scalloped, and it's got some applique with these tiny little rosebuds. I love that. And then she's got my name on here. She's got Vicky up here and TryHeart67. Isn't that absolutely darling? And it's a pin. Oh my gosh, I'm going to wear it next time we have a party. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Then she's got flower, like a carnation here, and these are these flowers are gardenias, and this is beautiful applique. I saw her video, and so she made it with this burlap fold. Is it a folder? And then this glass tube of little flowers in there. Oh, isn't that so pretty? And they are, you know, for stick pins or chunky charms that I want to make. Oh, cute. Just love those. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you for all the intricate detail you put on the little bottle. And look at this. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that. I'm sorry, I'm out of... Look at that. Look at this top of this rose. It's like curled. I don't know how you made that, Tammy. Did you curl up a... This is metal. And she curled the edges. That is really nice. I love that. You're gonna have to, I want to learn how to do that, Tammy. Tell me how to do that. Do a tutorial. I love it. This is a beautiful